Cloud of Dream. Once upon a time, a boy lived in a quiet village. His name is Yu. Yu loved to play in the big forest on the outskirts of the village every day. However, at night, I always felt a little lonely to sleep alone. One night, when Yu was playing in the woods as usual, a small fluffy cloud fell from the sky. The cloud said, "I'm a dream cloud, I'm here to show you a wonderful dream," I said. Yu's eyes lit up and said, "Really? What kind of dreams do you show me?" I asked. The cloud of the dream soared high into the sky with Yu on his back. In the starry night sky, the two flew into a mysterious world. In that world, there were colorful flowers, small animals playing instruments, and fish flying in the sky. Yu was led by the cloud of dreams and went on various adventures. I crossed the big rainbow bridge, chatted with the stars in the night sky, and finally met the goddess of the moon. The goddess smiled gently and said, "There is always a dream in your heart." He told me to cherish it. Eventually, the cloud of the dream gently brought Yu back to the ground. Yu went into bed, remembering various wonderful experiences that warmed my heart. Then Yu quietly closed his eyes and remembered the words said by the cloud of the dream. "There is always a dream in your heart." With those words in mind, Yu fell asleep with peace of mind. That night, Yu had a happy and warm dream. And the next day, he was able to keep drawing wonderful adventures in his mind, always remembering the clouds of his dreams. That's it.